Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send view once photo on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages. Open the Instagram direct messages, and then I'm going to send view once photo to this account. I'm going to tap on this account, and then I'm going to click on this camera icon. Okay, and I'm just going to take a photo just like so. And if we want to send a view once photo, we can click on this option. Okay, activated the view once, and after that you are going to click on send, and the view once photo will be sent. Okay, now it's done, and this is the view once photo. So they can only view this photo once, and after the photo has been opened, they won't be able to open this photo anymore. Alright guys, and that's all the way to send a view once photo on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.